everyone, welcome back to Mindful Investing. Even during these uncertain market conditions, I keep receiving dividend income every month from my Robinhood portfolio, which is currently sitting at $195,000. And the best part is these dividend keeps rolling in month after month, compounding every quarter, growing my wealth over time. This is how wealthy people make money while they sleep, through consistent and passive income. And today I'm breaking down exactly how much I received in January, February, March and April so far, plus my strategy for adding more dividend stocks on dips. If you are interested in my full portfolio, check out the video linked in the description below. Let's start with January 2025. It was a light month, but every dollar counts in this compounding journey. I received dividends from LTC properties and realty income of $13 each and making it a total dividends in January of $26.50. These are monthly payers, which means I receive cash flow from these every single month. The goal is to keep reinvesting and growing these positions over time. Now moving on to February, things started picking up. I again got dividends from realty income and LTC properties, and I also got $76 in dividends from AMDY, which was a new addition to my portfolio in February. And with that, I made $102 in total dividends in February. That's already a 4x increase from January. This is why dividend investing works. Companies keep paying and I keep reinvesting. March was a huge month for dividends. Look at this breakdown. I have Target, Johnson & Johnson, JetQ, Microsoft, Realty Income, CSX, McDonald's, AMDY, Hershey's, Lam Research, Nvidia, Coca-Cola, Google, SCHD, SCHG, LTC Properties, Broadcom and TQQQ. All these are great companies, mix of growth and dividend paying companies, and making me a total dividend of $233 in March. That's more than double February's payout. This shows the power of owning strong dividend paying companies across different sectors. Now April just started, so there are more dividends to come. But here's what I've received so far. JetQ and Realty Income already announced their dividend payouts for April, so here they are. I got so far $36.20 in April. More payments will roll in throughout the month and I'll update you all in my next dividend update. Right now, I have many growth stocks in this portfolio, but I'm waiting for dips in dividend stocks to buy more. I don't just chase yield, I focus on quality companies with solid fundamentals that can keep growing their payouts. Some key stocks I'm watching for potential buys on dips include SCHG and SCHD, which are the solid ETFs for dividend growth and capital appreciation. Realty Income, which is a monthly dividend payer that keeps increasing payouts. And then Coca-Cola, this is a reliable dividend stock with a strong brand moat. And then finally, I have Johnson & Johnson, a healthcare giant that consistently grown dividends. The goal is simple, keep accumulating high quality dividend stocks and let the power of compounding work its magic over time. That's my dividend income update for now. Every month this passive income is increasing and I can't wait to see where it goes by the end of the year. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and comment below what are your favorite dividend stocks. Also check out my full portfolio breakdown in the video linked in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.